Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam unknown error message that can appear during a purchase. If you're trying to buy a game, DLC, or other content on Steam and receive an unknown error message, the transaction may fail before the purchase is completed. This problem is often caused by temporary Steam server issues, payment verification problems, browser cache conflicts, or account-related issues. The good news is that there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to complete your purchase successfully. First, check whether Steam servers are experiencing any issues. If Steam's store or payment systems are temporarily unavailable, purchase attempts may fail regardless of which payment method you use. In this situation, waiting a few minutes and trying again later is often the best solution. Next, restart Steam completely. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Exit, then reopen Steam and sign back into your account. Temporary store connection issues can sometimes be resolved with a simple restart. You should also verify your payment information is correct. If you're using a credit card, debit card, PayPal account, or another payment method, make sure all billing details are accurate and up to date. Even a small mismatch in billing information can cause transactions to fail. Another common fix is clearing Steam's web browser cache. Open Steam, click Settings, then select In-Game from the left sidebar. Under the Browser Data section, click Delete Web Browser Data and confirm the action. This removes cached store information that may be interfering with purchases. You can also clear Steam's download cache. Go to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and refresh various account and store-related data. If the purchase continues to fail, try using a different payment method. Sometimes a specific card issuer, bank, or payment provider may decline a transaction even when Steam itself is functioning normally. Another useful step is attempting the purchase through a different device or web browser. Sign into Steam through a browser and try completing the transaction there. If the purchase succeeds, the issue may be related to the Steam client rather than your account. Make sure your account does not have any pending purchases or market restrictions that could be affecting transactions. You can review recent activity by clicking your account name in the top right corner and selecting Account Details. If you're making multiple purchase attempts in a short period of time, Steam's security systems may temporarily block additional transactions. Waiting a few hours before trying again can sometimes resolve the issue automatically. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable. Temporary connection interruptions during payment processing can trigger unknown errors and prevent purchases from completing. After completing these steps, most Steam purchase errors should be resolved, allowing you to buy games and other content normally. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.